Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use AUX in your Volkswagen Jetta. First, locate the auxiliary input jack, which is typically a small circular port. Next, connect your audio device, like a phone or MP3 player, using a standard 3.5mm audio cable. Finally, switch your car's stereo system to the AUX input mode to begin playing your music. The auxiliary input jack in your Jetta is commonly found within the center console storage area. However, it might also be located conveniently near the gear shifter or even inside the glove compartment. Take a moment to visually scan these areas for a small, circular port, usually marked with AUX or input, to easily identify it. To connect your device, simply plug one end of your 3.5mm audio cable into the headphone jack of your phone or MP3 player. Then, insert the other end firmly into the auxiliary input port in your Jetta. Once connected, remember to adjust the volume levels on both your audio device and your car's stereo for optimal sound quality. If you're experiencing issues, first ensure your 3.5mm audio cable is fully inserted into both your device and the Jetta's AUX port. Double-check that your device's volume is up and your car stereo is correctly set to the AUX input. For a fresh driving experience, consider grabbing a Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener. Check the description below for a link to this and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.